See how the stick moves on the screen. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot, dot. Again in high speed. Are there any keys besides this too much? It's going up a little to the left. To go from high to medium speed. High to slow to midi move. Dash, do right turn. Since the rudder angle is constant, I have to push and back, then push and back. When the rudder returns from right to neutral, the servo goes to the left once. So the tail of the aircraft moves from right to left. I change the airfoil to Clark Y. The angle of attack to 2 degrees. The plane banks and gains speed. And the plane comes back to level, it raises its head. So, elevator stick down. That's the advantage of using the trainer mode. I'm still not used to working with single RC plane. Practice landing. Oops. I couldn't help. I pulled up elevator. It's a no wind setting. I'm going to do a low pass in front of me and land from the left. Not enough altitude. Dot, 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 high speed for short time. Look at the stick operation on the screen. I didn't have the confidence to put the plane on the landing course by just pressing a button. So I'm using my left hand finger to control it. Program mixing rudder to aileron as applied. I can control the yaw and pitch direction. By the way, if I release the foot switch, everything is controlled by the master transmitter. This is the system I used. Engine and aileron control signals are generated in this box according to button presses. Signals from the receiver are sent to the M5 stack unit via the bus. The bus signal is converted to PPM signal by M5 stack and sent to the real flight controller. Foot switch for switching to master control. MK Kato RC advertisement in the June 1968. Single now? Outdated. Don't say, out of date. 10-channel and proportional radio control is not the only way to go. Radio control is not only about 10-channel and proportional. Single channel is the most important and fundamental of all. Even those who are currently using multi-channels and making fun of single channels, they are also, in fact, being indebted to singles. Have fun flying single radio-controlled airplanes.